Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Position yourself in a cleared, flat arena and place 2 barricades 8 to 10 meters apart to control movement. Equip high attack gear, prefer fire or piercing, because Queen Slime resists blunt. Carry 3 healing items and 2 stamina potions so you sustain pressure. Once done, approach at an angle to bait the first slam. Keep your light source active. It prevents the small slimes from hiding and lets you punish split phases quickly. You hold tempo. When Queen Slime lashes, dodge sideways and immediately counter the exposed core for 2 to 3 seconds. Those windows are brief, so commit. Once she splits, focus on adds with area bursts to prevent being overwhelmed, but conserve your mana for core interrupts. Use dodge then counter rhythm. Roll under lateral slams to reach her rear where damage multipliers apply. Keep repositioning between barricades so you avoid sticky terrain and maintain line of sight for heals and ability aiming. You close it out by saving your biggest cooldowns for the final 25%. Use your ultimate and damage potions at the same time to overwhelm regeneration. If you get pinned against a wall, break a barricade to create breathing room and lean on invulnerability frames from dodges to escape. This prevents chain stuns. If you are knocked down, pop a revive immediately and target the core first, because finishing the heart ends the fight faster and prevents
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.